After 7 years of questions, a one-time suspect is acquitted in the murder case of Phylicia Barnes. This was the third attempt to convict Michael Johnson for the 16-year-old's murder. The North Carolina honors student vanished in Baltimore in 2010. Her body found months later. WJZ is live. Joy Burnett tells us the judge was not convinced there was enough evidence to convict Johnson. Joy.
Well, Vic, this case had been going back and forth for 7 years. Michael Johnson was even convicted of murder. But after today's acquittal, he's now a free man. Michael Johnson said nothing as he walked out of court and then drove off. A judge acquitted Johnson in the Phylicia Barnes murder trial. The 16-year-old disappeared in 2010 while on break in Baltimore from North Carolina. Barnes' half-sister once dated Johnson, and he'd long been a suspect. But on Friday, the judge said there wasn't enough evidence to convict the 34-year-old. One of his attorneys cried after the ruling.
We grieve for the Barnes family and this tragedy, but convicting an innocent man is not justice for Phylicia Barnes. We are grateful that this 7-year nightmare is over for Mr. Johnson and his family.
This was the third time he went on trial for her murder. The first conviction was overturned, then came a mistrial, and now an acquittal. Phylicia Barnes' father was present in the early stages of the 4-week trial, but not on Friday.
Do you feel the evidence is strong enough? Are you still confident?
Always confident. Always confident. Always confident.
State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby said she spoke with the family after the judge acquitted Johnson.
I am extremely disappointed by today's decision, but the judicial process has played out, and we have no choice but to follow that decision and to respect that decision.
State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby also said they believe they were pursuing the person who actually killed Phylicia Barnes, but she said they also have to respect the judge's ruling. Reporting live tonight, Joy Burnett for WJZ.
Joy, thank you. Barnes had been missing for months. Her body was found in the Susquehanna River.